Ano, number 4 in Igbo Numerology. In Igbo Numerology, number 4 is known as Ano or Ino. It is a symbol that represents unity, crossroads, foundation, destiny, the divine feminine, divination, and the presence of the divine. Each interpretation carries both positive and negative aspects, which illustrates the dynamic interplay of energies in the universe. In this chapter, we will explore 7 interpretations of Ano and their implications in Igbo numerology. 7 interpretations of Ano in Igbo numerology. Number 1. Unity of every creation. Positive aspect. Ano represents unity, symbolized by Ofo Akanano, the four-handed Ofo, which holds all things together. This unity signifies the interconnectedness of all creation. It emphasizes the importance of harmony and collective strength. It reflects the Igbo belief in the power of community and the idea that all elements of life are intricately linked. Negative aspect? However, striving for unity can sometimes lead to conformity and loss of individuality. The emphasis on collective harmony might suppress personal expression and uniqueness. It can also result in the pressure to conform, potentially stifling innovation and diversity. Number 2. Crossroads. The intersection of elements. Positive aspect. Ano symbolizes the crossroads, the intersection between the 4 elements that rule life on earth. Fire, Ike, water, Orie, earth, Afo, and air, Nkwo. This intersection represents balance and the dynamic interplay of these foundational forces, which highlights their importance in sustaining life and harmony in the natural world. Negative aspect. The concept of crossroads can also signify confusion and indecision. Standing at the intersection of multiple paths might lead to hesitation and difficulty in making choices. The complexity of balancing these elements can create tension and overwhelm. Number 3. Foundation. 4 markets, 4 days. Positive aspect. Ano represents the foundation, exemplified by the Igbo cosmological framework of Afianano, Ubosinano. 4 markets, 4 days. This foundation is essential for understanding the rhythm and structure of Igbo life and culture. It signifies stability, tradition, and the enduring principles that support the Igbo way of life. Negative aspect. A strong foundation can sometimes lead to rigidity and resistance to change. Over-reliance on traditional structures might hinder adaptation and progress. The desire to maintain stability might prevent the exploration of new ideas and opportunity. Number 4. Destiny. Fulfilling the purpose of one's chi. Positive aspect. Ano symbolizes destiny, the fulfillment of the purpose of one's chi, personal spirit. It underscores the importance of understanding and aligning with one's divine path, encouraging each person to pursue their true calling and achieve their highest potential. Negative aspect. The pursuit of destiny can sometimes become obsessive, which can lead to tunnel vision and neglect of other important aspects of life. The pressure to fulfill one's purpose might cause stress and a sense of inadequacy if progress is perceived as slow or unattainable. Number 5. Divine Feminine. Positive aspect. Ano embodies the divine feminine. It represents qualities such as nurturing, intuition, and compassion. It highlights the importance of feminine energy and achieving balance. It highlights the importance of feminine energy in achieving balance, creativity, and emotional well-being. This interpretation celebrates the strength and wisdom of the feminine force as the foundational energy of all things in the universe. Negative aspect. Overemphasis on this nature can sometimes lead to emotional overwhelm. The nurturing aspect might result in overprotectiveness or difficulty in setting boundaries. The balance between feminine and masculine energies can become skewed, which can affect overall harmony. Number 6. Divination. The basic number of Afa. Positive aspect. Ano represents divination, the basic number of Afa, Igbo divination. It signifies deep insights, clairvoyance, and the ability to perceive hidden truths. This interpretation highlights the importance of spiritual wisdom and the connection to the divine for guidance and understanding. Negative aspect. The pursuit of divination can sometimes lead to over-reliance on external guidance and a lack of personal initiative. It might encourage dependence on spiritual readings and a fear of making decisions without divinatory confirmation. Misinterpretations can also cause confusion and misdirection. Number 7. Presence of the divine, life force. Positive aspect. Ano signifies the presence of the divine, which embodies the life force that sustains all creation. This presence is a reminder of the sacredness of life and the continual support of the divine in every aspect of existence. It reflects the spiritual foundation that underpins all life and activity. Negative aspect. The awareness of the divine presence can sometimes lead to a sense of unworthiness or fear of divine judgment. The constant focus on the spiritual might overshadow practical aspects of life, which can cause an imbalance between the material and spiritual realm. The sacred nature of Ano. Ano, with the root word no, meaning to stay or be grounded, emphasizes the importance of stability and being firmly rooted in one's beliefs and practices. The concept of Ano underscores the significance of being grounded and steadfast. It reflects the core principle of having a firm foundation in Igbo cosmology. As the number 4, Ano holds a vital place in Igbo spiritual traditions. It represents the foundational elements that support life and community. Its sacredness is deeply connected to the structure and balance it brings to existence. In conclusion, Ano, the number 4 in Igbo numerology, carries deep insights and interpretations. It symbolizes unity, crossroads, foundation, destiny, the divine feminine, divination, and the presence of the divine, each with its positive and negative aspects. Being aware of these interpretations allow for a deeper appreciation of Igbo spiritual traditions and the wisdom they offer. Each one of us can embark on our spiritual and physical paths with greater insight, balance, and harmony when we understand the multifaceted nature of Ano.